Tama na yun eh.
Huwag ka makikinig sa kanila.
Kaya nagko-coaching lang kami.
Okay, hindi sabihin, yung team lang mag-ano, huwag magulo. Pwede kayo tumawag, pero huwag kayo magulo.
Here.
Huwag ka titingin sa kanila.
Don't listen to them. Face, here, this side. Go face that way. Don't listen to him. Face that way.
Take one. Don't pull it.
We are three. You are 12. You're three.
Listen to them.
Listen to her.
Okay.
No, I'll stop them.
Okay.
The time starts now.
Woo! No. Yeah.
It's in the house.
We can be, maybe.
She's outside.
Yes,
She's gonna be on the tree. It's in a star.
We're only three.
Tito Rose.
Wait. Make it only two. Dalawa na lang kami. Teka muna, ano ba ang kapatid namin?
Wala na ako kumampi sa inyo.
Joy! Joy!
Naku sa akin, where?
Minaskuhanin mo yung pusa para hindi kayo inaan.
Okay.
Teka muna. Wala kami katim. Dalawa lang kami.
2 points, 2 points.
Kami nga yun.
Kanino ka naman eh?
Kasi nanalo kami. Paano may nagsabi? Nagkakabaya?
No.
Okay, take.
Ay, teka muna. Sila Joseph. Oh, Joseph. Joy.
Okay. JC, Joseph, Rose,
Nawala ka na yung teammate mo.
Joy, Jumar.
Joseph, Gerard.
Si Joy.
Nagkapusa.
Come on.